Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbi Sani. Hope you are doing great. Already many videos are out on my channel regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling procedure, the seat allotment, the eligibility, the cutoff and the expected revised cutoff also. But still there is a lot of queries again and again regarding the counseling procedure, the fees, when it will be returned, when it will be registered, when you have to do the free exit, when you have to do the registration again or not. So a lot of queries are there regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. So today I have decided to again explain you in detail regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling procedure and the related questions, right? So please watch this video till the end. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Now back to the topic. The flow chart which is shown on your screen, it is present on the official site of NBE or netboard.edu.in. So don't forget to check out that. This chart is from their site only. Now let's understand the NEET MDS 2023 counseling procedure, that is the All India counseling 50% quota counseling, right? First question which came in each and every individual or the candidate's mind is who all can register for the All India quota counseling, right? Those candidates who have the marks above the cutoff of NEET MDS 2023 which is officially out right now. Just say for the general category it is 272 and for the other categories it is the similar cutoffs which is officially out. So all those candidates who are having the marks above the cutoff which is officially released on the official website of NEET MDS 2023 counseling and the result, we have the official released cutoff right now. So all those candidates can apply for the All India quota counseling by paying the fees and register themselves, followed by they have to do the choice filling and then the choice locking so that they cannot change the choices later on. Followed by that, once you lock the choices, after 2 to 3 days the result will be out regarding the NEET MDS round 1 counseling. It is published within the next 2 to 3 days after the choice locking, right? If you get the seat in the first round of counseling, you need to report to that allotted institute or the college and then you have to complete the formalities and get the admission, right? You didn't report to the allotted institute or the college, then it is considered to be a free exit, right? In this point of time or the point of counseling, you will not lose your registered money, right? But there is a free exit by the candidate, right? In case of a free exit, you will not lose your registered money. This is the main point which you need to understand. Second thing is, if you didn't get the seat in first round of counseling, you can participate in second round of counseling, but at this point of time, the first round of counseling or the process is over. If you join the college in the first round of counseling which you got by allotted college or the allotted institute and you have joined that college, but still you have the willingness for the upgradation of your branch or of your college, then you can also participate in the second round of the counseling. Or the second option you have is you can continue with the allotted college or the institution, right? So if you have the willingness for the upgradation of your branch as a candidate of NEET MDS 2023 counseling, you can participate in the second round of counseling, right? Situation in which a candidate, he or she is unable to get the seat in first round of counseling, then he or she again can participate in the second round of counseling. But if you didn't get the seat in the first round of counseling, then you can participate in the second round of counseling, but you have to do the free state registration again. Those students who have not gone through the allotted college or the institution in the first round of counseling and they did the free exit students, right, who did the free exit in round 1 of counseling, they can also participate in second round of counseling, but still they have to do the fresh registration. And in second round of counseling, your first round choice filling or the choices are not considered. That means in second round of counseling, if you are participating again, then you have to give a fresh choice filling, right, and choice locking. Main feature or main concept regarding the choice filling and choice locking in second round of counseling, it has to be different from first round of counseling. If you got a seat in second round of counseling, then go to the allotted college or the institution, complete the admission procedure and the formalities, and now the procedure is over for you as a candidate of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. There is another situation. Now, if you got a seat in second round of counseling and you are not going to join that allotted college or the institution, right, then you will not get back your registration fee back. Now you have a loss of your registration fee, right? If you didn't get any seat in second round of counseling also, let's say there are the more competition, more candidates, and you didn't get the seat in second round of counseling and you just exit, then you will get your fees back. So this is the main difference which you need to know. If you didn't get the seat in the second round of counseling also, then you will get your fees back, right? That's all about the All India Quota Counseling procedure regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, and followed by that there comes the mop-up round, which is the private round or the management quota seat, and rest of the procedure, which is quite easy to give money and register yourself, take the branch and take the private college according to you and your pocket, right? So in this way you will get to know about the seats, branches, rank and the whole procedure regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. All India Quota Counseling procedure is this, right? If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. Don't forget to join the WhatsApp and NEET MDS or INSET counseling discussion group, which is already out. For that, you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. You can DM me, ask for the WhatsApp discussion join link, and then you can join the group very well. A lot of queries are there which are used to be solved in the Instagram stories, through my YouTube videos, and definitely in the WhatsApp group discussion also. So stay tuned with that. Thank you for watching.